How septic tank filters affect solid breakdown. A septic system works by separating and treating waste inside the tank before wastewater flows to the drain field. One small but important part of this process is the septic tank filter. Many homeowners do not realize how much this component helps the system stay efficient. Understanding how septic tank filters affect solid breakdown can help prevent clogs, backups, and expensive repairs. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. What is a septic tank filter? A septic tank filter is usually placed at the outlet of the septic tank. Its main job is to stop solid waste particles from leaving the tank too early. The filter allows wastewater to pass through while trapping debris and suspended solids. This helps the septic system operate more effectively over time. How septic tank filters affect solid breakdown. The filter does not directly break down waste. Instead, it supports the natural decomposition process inside the tank. 1. Keeps solids in the tank longer. When solids remain inside the septic tank longer, bacteria have more time to break them down naturally. This improves waste treatment and reduces sludge buildup. 2. Protects the drain field. Without a filter, small solid particles can enter the drain field and cause blockages. Septic filters trap these particles and help protect the soil absorption system. A healthy drain field lasts longer and performs better. 3. Improves wastewater quality. Filters help create cleaner wastewater by removing extra debris before it leaves the tank. Cleaner effluent reduces the risk of pipe clogs and system overload. 4. Supports better septic performance. A properly working filter helps maintain balanced wastewater flow. This creates better conditions for bacterial activity and solid decomposition. Why filter cleaning matters. Over time, septic filters collect waste and can become clogged. A dirty filter may cause 1. Slow drains. 2. Bad odors. 3. Gurgling pipes. 4. Sewage backups. Most septic professionals recommend cleaning the filter every 6 to 12 months. Learning how septic tank filters affect solid breakdown shows why this small part is so important. Septic filters help keep solids inside the tank longer, support natural bacterial breakdown, and protect the drain field from damage. With regular maintenance and cleaning, a septic filter can improve system efficiency and help avoid costly septic repairs. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.